How do you feel about getting your braces off today?
I feel really great,
Awesome.
and it feels less roomy,
Awesome.
and I'm now able to eat more caramel and Laffy Taffy.
That's the best.
Yes.
All right, we'll see you at the end.
Hey, ready?
You can look in the mirror. Oh my gosh. Jeez. They look very pretty, don't they? Yeah.
What do you think?
They look really, really nice.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Very happy. Good deal.
Thank you.
You're welcome.